welcome to my channel. So in today's video we are going to do a skincare video. If you are new to this channel, please do subscribe to my channel. I am Deepa. I am a beauty influencer and a fashion designer from Hyderabad, India. So it would mean a lot to me if you would subscribe to my channel. Welcome to my channel. I am Deepa. I am a beauty influencer and a fashion designer from Hyderabad, India. So if you're new to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel because it is free and help me reach 10,000 subscribers. It will mean a lot to me if I reach my next milestone. So in today's video, you can see I have braided my hair. So we are doing a skincare video. So this is basically the first impressions of a skincare brand. So this brand was sent to me in PR and it is nothing but Sukin Skincare. So I will write down right here so you know what I'm speaking about. So this is an Australian brand and it is available on Nykaa. So they send me these products. So I have 4 products. We are going to do first impression. So whatever thoughts I have, I'm sharing with you all in this video. So stay tuned and let's get into the video. So it came in this cardboard box and it is nothing but it's Australian brand and it is made of natural ingredients. So inside you have like this. I received 4 products. So the first off I received is this Sukin Hydrating Mist Toner. I really love toners. After every skincare product, I obviously use a toner for sure. I think you get the big sizes. I'll paste links to all these products in the description box below. You can definitely check it out. So another benefit is that it is for all skin types and it is paraben free and alcohol free. And it has chamomile and rose. And it is a 50 ml bottle. So the next item that I have is the foaming facial cleanser. I really love this white and green packaging. So all of these products are for all skin types. And another benefit I'll just tell you guys, there are no synthetic fragrances, no animal derivatives. There is a huge list. Can you see this? So all of this, there is a lot of benefits. So another one that I have is this facial moisturizer. And it is also paraben free. And it is for all skin types and you have 50 ml product. And the last item that I have is nothing but facial scrub. It is imported and manufactured in Mumbai and there is nothing else. So that's it. This is the empty box. So we have a pamphlet right here. So it also has the no list, like all of what are not there in these products. So there are no sulfates, no parabens, no silicones, no animal derivatives, no artificial colors. There is a lot of list. So we are going to start off by removing our makeup right now. And I also have a tub of water right here next to me. I also have my cleaning pad. So I'll just soak this in the water so that it soaks water a bit. Today I'm using the simple micellar water. I'm just taking on this. I just love this simple micellar water. You know, it is very, very delicate on your skin. It's not at all harsh. So what is everyone doing at home since we are all at home for so long time? So I'm trying my best so that I stay motivated and do a lot of videos. So use a lot of kajal. So you know I have to take a quick minute to remove all of that out. You know it's not at all harsh on your eyes. So always use the simple micellar water for my eyes. If any other residue is left, so I use my Kaya Youth makeup remover and I just spray on this. So I don't use this on my eyes because it's very, very strong. So it will burn your eyes. So but I use it to remove my base if any of the base is left. So one swipe I do that. It's very important that you remove your makeup thoroughly. That's why, you know, one coat of that is important. So another step that I do is I take a earbud and I remove the kajal in my eyes. Even the mascara, I just do this so that all of the mascara comes out. So you can see how much has come out. So I've just put my hairband. So I really love this hairband. I got it from Shein. Obviously it's banned right now. Anyways, I got it from Shein. You can check out my Shein haul. Sadly, you cannot buy if you're from India. I have one more step that I want to do. I generally use a little bit of baby oil so that any of the makeup that is left, you know, kind of goes away. So I just use Johnson's baby oil to break any of the makeup that is there. So all of the makeup that did not go through a makeup remover, break down through this. You can also use coconut oil, but do not use this if you are a oily skin person. Please don't do this step. If you are a dry skin, you can use this definitely, but do not keep the oil in for a lot of time. So it's very good to break your mascara as well. So then I just take a cotton pad and I quickly just wipe out so that the oil doesn't seep into my pores. I just use it to break my makeup and just wipe away. So I'm just taking the cotton pad and I'm just, wiping down all of the oil. Let's see if any of the makeup has come. So I do this always so that any makeup residue the makeup remover can't take out, this will definitely take it out for you. So only do this if you are a dry skin person, or a normal skin person also can do. So you can see how much makeup has come out, which the makeup remover didn't take out. So this all was in your skin, Thank God I do this step so that everything has come out. Now I'm going to wet my face a bit. So I'm just taking my cleaning pad and I'm just going to wet my face. So I'm just going to take a little more. So guys, so much makeup has come out. I wish I could show this water. I really love this cleaning pads. I got it from Amazon. I'm just going to put in the description box. You can definitely check it out. We are going to try the scrub actually. So I always use a scrub before the cleansing foam. This is a revitalizing facial scrub. This is a first impression, so I have no clue how this product is going to look. I think there is this seal right here. I am going to remove the seal. So this shows that I'm using it for the first time. So I'll just wet my hands a bit. So I'm wetting my face a little more. So yeah, this will do. So now I'm going to take little of this scrub. I'll just show it to you guys. How is it? Okay, so it is nothing but like milk. So I'm just going to take a little bit. So this is how much I'm taking. Obviously I have to hold the mirror as well. I should have kept my other mirror. For God's sake, I don't know why I've kept this mirror. Anyways, I'm just going to apply on my face like this and then we are going to scrub. So with very light hand. It has mild fragrance, but it is not too harsh, not like unbreathable. The moment you put in, you can definitely smell it. I'm hardly putting any pressure. The first impression is I do not like the smell. The smell is kind of bothering me. It's giving me this medicinal kind of a vibe, which I don't like, but the scrub is fine. Anyways, in the first impression, it's very hard to tell. When I'm editing this video, I'll definitely let you guys know what I feel when I'm using it on a regular basis. Scrubs in a week, I generally use only twice. I don't use more than that because you do not need more than that. So anyways, I'm dry skin, so I don't need more than that. So I'm just scrubbing on my cheek with very light hands. I don't want to do very harshly. I don't know, this smell is kind of bothering me. So it's making me want to remove it very sooner. So I'm just going to take it out. Did you see any glow? I don't know. I did it with very light hands. I didn't put in too much pressure. So this hairband is so good, guys. If I find a similar one in Amazon, I'm definitely going to link it below. Apart from the smell, I think it's okay. Probably because they used all natural ingredients. I think that's why that smell. So now we're going to use the facial cleanser. So the first impression of the scrub, I frankly don't feel anything different. But I do feel my skin is softer. That definitely I can tell that. But the smell is irritating me. But anyways, you use scrub only for the 2 to 5 minutes. So for that, if you can bear the smell, then you can definitely get it. Okay, so this is the foam. So it has this watery kind of consistency. So I'm just going to take little. If I want more, I'll take. And okay, so there is foam. So even this smell is pathetic actually. I don't know what is with the smell. So I'm just going to wipe it down. I do feel very, very, very fresh. I highly recommend you guys to get the cleanser. This is very good actually. So this is a yes from me. I like the cleanser. It's a hydrating mist toner and it comes in a spray bottle obviously. So I'm going to tell my first impression of using this. So for toner, always whenever you use a toner, wait for 5-10 minutes so that it seeps into your skin and then apply a moisturizer. Or I generally put my sunscreen and then I put my moisturizer. Of all the products, I think I like this toner a lot. So let's see how is the consistency of this moisturizer. So it is like your normal moisturizer. So I'll take that much and see how it is on the skin. Is it me or all of the Sukin products smell like this? But obviously I can understand because it is mentioned that there are no additional or artificial fragrances added. So it is just the moment that you apply, you have this smell, but afterwards it fades away. You don't have the smell. Only that much as well is giving me good moisturization. I'm not feeling to apply more. So if you are a dry skin, you can definitely get this. You can see the stickiness that it is there. So highly recommend you guys to get it. What are the 4 products that I received in the PR? So I'll just tell you my quick glimpse or a summary of what I think of these products. So this moisturizer is very, very good. Obviously I can put makeup as well on top of this, giving me that sticky feeling and not to dig into the moisturizer again, which is the whole point of a moisturizer. Being a dry skin, I always want a very good moisturizer. Of the 4 products, I highly recommend you guys to get the toner. This is very, very, very good. So the moment I put this, I could instantly feel very fresh. So this one is a totally yes from me. So the another product that I like is the moisturizer. It is making my skin so sticky, as you can see, and I'm not digging into the moisturizer again. My least favorite would be the scrub, and I am neutral about the cleanser. I washed twice with this, then I felt my makeup has gone or my face is not dirty. So this is a neutral for me. I do not like the scrub at all. So I highly recommend you guys to get the toner and the moisturizer. So this is a little glimpse of all of the Sukin products that I received in PR. If you want me to try anything else from the Sukin range which I do not know or haven't received, please write down in the comment down below. Those are all the thoughts and those are all my first impressions, what I felt about these products. So let me know what videos you want to see more in the comments down below. Please do subscribe to my channel. You know the drill. Please do like this video as well. Please do share if anyone want to try out this range. It's also available on Nykaa. So I'll put down all the links to this in the description box. So obviously I received in the PR, so the sizes might vary. Anyway, the formulation is the same. I'll be back with more such videos. This is Deepa bidding a bye. Bye guys.
That.